I watched a dozen videos on YouTube where the authors talked about the magical opportunity to earn money using Google Translate. After watching their videos and understanding what they were talking about, I came to the conclusion that it's just a waste of time and won't bring you the promised profit. The creators of these videos use clickbait to entice you to click and watch the video. However, after watching the videos you don't receive any benefit, just waste 10-20 minutes of your time. I understand that you are interested in the topic of earning money online, especially with simple methods like Google Translate. In this video I will show you a real way to earn money online. This is a step-by-step guide for beginners that, if followed, will allow you to start earning. My name is Ryan Hunter, and on this channel I talk about real ways to make money online. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, get comfortable, and let's get started. I want to warn you right away that you don't need any investment or special skills for this method of earnings. Watch this video to the end and you will have a complete understanding of what you need to do step by step to be able to earn such amounts every hour. Boom, 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 boom! So, to start working you need a phone or computer. Let's go to the Google Translate website. This is our main tool for making money. We will earn money by selling unique articles on popular marketplaces. I want to warn you right away. You don't have to write unique articles on different topics or be an expert in anything. You just need Google Translate. Watch the video completely to understand each step. Firstly, we need to find marketplaces where we can sell our future articles. Simple search unique article exchange on Google and you will find a list of available marketplace. Let me show you an example of how much you can earn. $40 per article on the topic. 5 basic things to do to start investing. $31 per article on the topic. Top 7 financial mistakes you need to avoid. $49 per article on the topic. Tips to reduce your personal taxes. First, you need to understand why and for whom these articles are necessary and who actually buys them for this price. There are millions of websites on the internet, and in order for these sites to receive traffic from Google, they must regularly publish unique articles. Many websites owners do not want to write these articles, and it is easier for them to buy a pre-written article on the topic of their site so that their site receives more traffic. That's why they turn to marketplaces where they can buy articles for their websites, and we will help them with that. We will sell them unique articles and earn from it. Google Translate will help us create unique articles. Once you have identified the list of marketplaces you need to register with them, I recommend identifying a list of the top 10 marketplaces, create an account and starting to sell your articles. After you have identified the marketplaces to work with, created your account and prepared them for selling articles, you need to prepare a list of topics to search for articles. The highest paying topics in copywriting are cryptocurrency, finance, credit, fitness, weight loss, cars, history, space and technology. Choosing the right topic is crucial. I recommend beginners use these topics. Articles on these topics are paid very well and easy to create. You can publish these articles for sale daily, selling 20-30 of them and earning money, even if you are beginner. For example, you can choose the cryptocurrency topic and then sell articles on topics such as why is Bitcoin rising in price, top 10 altcoins to buy, and where to safely store cryptocurrency. In the technology theme, you can sell articles on topics such as review of the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, comparisons of Samsung and iPhone, and review on fitness trackers. In the fitness weight loss theme, you can sell articles on topics such as how to lose weight at home, diet for gaining muscle mass, and review of a hand sports trainer. I think you understand what the subject matter means. My advice is to choose a subject matter for articles that is most interesting and close to you. If you love cars and know everything about them, then your choice is to write articles on automotive subject. This way you will enjoy your work and you will be able to earn even more. Once you have decided on the topic and created accounts on marketplaces, it's time to start preparing your articles for sale. This is where Google Translate comes in handy. Let me show you an example using a technology review theme. What do you need to do? Open Google Translate, choose English as a language and translate to Spanish. Write review of iPhone 14 Pro Max and get the translation in Spanish. Copy all of it, go to the Google and paste your Spanish text. Click search. Go to the first website and look. For example, copy the entire article there, go back the Google Translate and how choose Spanish as the language and translate into English. Get a full article in English. I recommend reading it carefully and making any necessary edits. After that, you can also check this text for unicas. Go to the service, paste the obtained text and click check. Wait for the check results. You should aim for at least 80% unicas in your article. This will ensure that your article is marketable. Great, this article has a high percentage of unicas, so we can confidently sell it, make money. After showing you how to search for and find Unica articles for sale, your task is to search for and prepare at least 5 such articles daily. I recommend setting aside time to prepare at least 100 articles and then publishing them on marketplace for sale. In my experience, the average selling price of such articles is $30–40. Selling 100 articles will earn you $3–4,000. If you're selling 1,000 articles, will earn you $30–40,000. My advice is to publish at least 20 articles on marketplace every day. People will buy them and you can earn money. In this video I explain step by step how to earn money using Google Translate. This is a real way to make money and you can earn up $200 daily if you follow my advice. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe to my channel if you want similar videos. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments and I will try to help you. Good luck.